Tuko sawa, tuko sawa.
Are we ready?
Yes. Okay, Mesh. We've seen you come here under difficult conditions. We've seen you leave abruptly when the Right Honorable Raila Odinga just arrived.
Yes.
What happened?
I came here because I'm a member of ODM, a member of Azimio. And when we walked in, the boys who blocked me and said I will not come in. And after that, I was allowed in. When Baba walked in, one of his close security asked me to walk out. That's what happened. I walked out. Yes.
How do you feel? How does that make you feel?
I feel bad because I love Baba. I'm a member of ODM, and I really feel bad. Yes.
Do you regret?
I can't regret meeting President because I'd gone there on my own capacity, but it's because they called me for development issues. And I still repeat, I feel bad that I can't attend the meeting when Baba is there. And you know very well what I've done for the party myself, what the journey we've been. And I'm happy that it has taken a different turn.
If at some point they ask for forgiveness for your apology, would you be willing to render your apology for that action?
To apologize. To apologize. Having met the president, there's no apology about it. I went there for development. You don't apologize when you go on and you call.
Does this interfere with the relationship between you and Azimio?
Oh, maybe it will, but I'm still in Azimio. I'm still a member of ODM, and this is politics.
There's a letter that has been written by the Okech asking that you be kicked out of the party. What would be your comment?
I might not be the first person, neither will I be the last person to be kicked out of the party. Right? Thank you.
Thank you.